square root of the limit of f of x as x approach c. To find the value, we just simply place the limit value, which is 12, so root of 12, then we need to simply the value by getting the function of 12, which are 4 and 3, and the square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 square root of 3.
For example, number 2, we have the limit of 4x plus 5 to the 4th power, where x approaches 2 is equal to limit of 4x plus 5, where x approaches 2 to the 4th power.
Equals to 4 times 2 plus 5 raised to 4. 4 times 2 is equals to 5 and raised to 4. Solve the multiplication of 13 raised to 4 is equals to 28,561.
For the last example, we have the limit of 2x minus 1 raised to 3 as x approaches 3. This can be written in the form 2x minus 1 as x approaches 3. And we're going to place this limit to the given exponent, which is 3. Let's simplify first the limit of the function. So we have the limit of 2x as x approaches 3 minus the limit of 1 as x approaches 3.
And don't forget to raise the given limit with the given exponent. Now, simplifying this one, we will have 2 times 3 minus the limits of constant 1 as x approaches to 3, so it's equal to 1. And don't forget the exponent, so simplifying this, we will have 6 minus 1 raised to 3, and 6 minus 1 is equal to 5,